Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Megan. How are you today?
Hi, Lucy. I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you?
I'm great. Thanks. I just started a new job last Monday, and I'm really excited about it. I wanted to talk with you about my experience and get your advice, since I know you have worked in different places before.
That sounds wonderful, Lucy. Congratulations on your new job. What kind of job did you start?
I'm now working at a car rental company as a receptionist and customer service assistant. My main tasks are to greet customers, give them documents to fill out, check their driving licenses, answer their questions, take payments, and then hand over the car keys.
Oh, that sounds busy but interesting. So, do you drive to work every day?
Not at all. My new office is very close to my home. It's only about a 15-minute walk. And if it rains, I can take the bus because there is a bus stop right outside the building.
You're very lucky, Lucy. I used to drive for nearly 40 minutes every day, and I spent a lot on gas. Walking is much better for both your wallet and your health.
Yes, I'm really happy about that. My old job paid about $220 per week, but I felt very alone there because I rarely interacted with my coworkers. Now, I work with a friendly team, and even though my starting salary is $260 per week, I save extra money because I don't need to drive far.
That's a big change. Working with friendly colleagues and saving money on travel really makes a difference. How many people work with you at the office?
In our office, there are 8 people, including me. And outside, there are 10 employees who work to prepare the cars. They check fuel levels, clean the cars, and assist customers when needed.
8 in the office and 10 outside. That's a good team. It must be nice to work in a busy, social environment compared to your old job, where you worked alone.
Absolutely. I left my old job because I felt very isolated. There, I earned $220 a week, but I hardly saw anyone. Now, I enjoy chatting with my new colleagues, and our teamwork makes the day much more enjoyable.
That's excellent, Lucy. Do you still answer calls and send emails like before?
Yes, I do. I answer calls, send emails, and also help the manager during meetings when customers are waiting. It can be tiring at times, but it's much better than sitting alone at a desk all day.
It sounds like you are very busy, but at least you are not bored. I know how important it is to have a lively work environment.
I agree. Even though I don't earn as much as I did before, the social aspect and the savings on commuting really make up for it. My new salary is $260 a week, but since I save around $4 per day on gas and parking, I feel like I'm doing better overall.
That's a smart trade-off, Lucy. A bit lower pay is acceptable if you have a better work environment and lower expenses. Plus, working with people makes your day much brighter.
Exactly. I am also learning many new things. For example, I'm getting better at handling customer questions and processing paperwork quickly. I also have a short training session every day, which helps me learn more about the car rental process.
That's great. It sounds like every day is a learning experience for you. How do you manage when many customers come in at once?
Well, when there are a lot of customers, the waiting time can make them frustrated. I try to stay calm and polite. I explain to them that we are working as fast as we can. If the line gets too long, I ask a colleague for help.
That is a good approach. It is important to stay patient and work as a team. Did you ever have a difficult customer so far?
Yes, one customer was very upset because he had to wait longer than he expected. I apologized and offered him a free cup of coffee from our waiting area. He eventually calmed down and thanked me.
That's a very nice solution, Lucy. Sometimes a small gesture like that can turn a bad experience into a positive one.
I think so too. I also like that my new job is close to home. It means I can walk to work, save money on transportation, and even have a little exercise in the morning.
Absolutely, that is a big advantage. I remember when I used to drive 40 minutes each way. I always felt tired by the time I reached the office.
And sometimes I even chat with the bus driver if I need to take the bus on a rainy day. He always tells me something interesting about the local area.
That is a nice part of public transportation. You sometimes meet friendly people along the way. By the way, have you learned about the holiday policy at your new job?
Yes, I asked about that during my orientation. I have 4 weeks of paid holiday per year. I heard that some people get 5 weeks, but when you start, you only get 3 weeks, and then it increases later on.
That is interesting. I think 4 weeks of holiday is good, especially if the work environment is friendly.
I agree. I was also curious about the work hours. I start at 9 o'clock in the morning, which is perfect. I can catch the 8:45 train with my colleague if I need to.
That sounds very convenient. Having a short commute and a regular schedule makes your day much less stressful.
Yes, it really does. I also asked if there is any room for growth in my position. My manager said that if I work hard, I could earn more after a few months. I'm excited about that possibility.
That is encouraging, Lucy. It shows that you have a future in this company. It is always good to see opportunities for growth.
I feel optimistic about my new job, even though the salary is a bit lower now compared to my old job. I used to earn $200 a week. I know that with time and experience, I will earn more.
Yes, starting a new job often means a lower salary at first, but the savings on commuting and the positive work environment make it worthwhile.
Exactly. I'm learning new skills every day, and that experience will help me earn a higher salary in the future. My manager believes in training new staff and rewarding hard work.
That is excellent, Lucy. A company that invests in its employees is a great place to work. It seems you made a very good choice by leaving your old job.
I think so too. I was tired of working alone and feeling isolated. Now, I have many friendly colleagues, and I enjoy interacting with customers. It makes my work much more interesting.
I'm happy for you, Lucy. Your new job sounds very promising, and I'm sure you will continue to improve and achieve your goals.
Thank you, Megan. Your advice has been very helpful. I am planning to call the sales manager, Mr. Hensley, to discuss the next steps. Could you please spell his name for me?
Sure, it's Hensley.
Hensley, got it. I will call him later today to confirm my schedule and ask about any further training sessions.
That sounds like a good plan, Lucy. I think it is important to communicate with your boss and show that you are eager to learn.
I agree. I feel that every day is a chance to improve my skills and contribute to the team. I will do my best to make a good impression.
I'm sure you will, Lucy. Just remember to be patient and ask for help when you need it. Your colleagues and manager are there to support you.
Thank you, Megan. I appreciate your kind words and advice. I'm really excited about this new chapter in my career.
You should be, Lucy. New beginnings are always full of opportunities. I'm sure you will grow and succeed in your new job.
I hope so. I'm also looking forward to making new friends and enjoying a more social work environment.
That is wonderful, Lucy. Enjoy the positive change, and don't forget to celebrate your small successes.
I will, Megan. Thank you so much for our conversation today. It has given me more confidence and a clear idea of how to move forward.
You're welcome, Lucy. I'm always here if you need advice or just want to talk. Good luck with your call to Mr. Hensley, and I hope you have a great day at work.
Thank you, Megan. I'm really excited about my future here. I'll keep you updated on my progress.
Please do. I look forward to hearing about all your achievements. Take care, Lucy, and goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Megan.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.